Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to find the LCM of numbers 8 and 12. We will be using prime factorization method to find the LCM of the two numbers. In this method we divide numbers using prime numbers and find the factors of the numbers. Factors are numbers which divide any number fully without leaving a remainder. So first few prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7 and so on. For finding the LCM of 8 and 12, we are going to divide the two numbers by 2 as both the numbers are even. So 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 6 is 12. Again we can divide the two numbers by 2, 2 times 2 is 4 and 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 1 is 2, 3 is not fully divisible by 2, so we'll write it as is. Now 3 is a prime number, it is fully divisible by number 3, 3 times 1 is 3. Now both the numbers are fully divided. To find the LCM of the two numbers, we are going to take the product of all the numbers which are on the left hand side of the ladder, which is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. So the LCM of the two numbers 8 and 12 is 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 3 is 24. So the LCM of the two numbers is 24. So this is how we find the LCM of two numbers easily. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.